Gen Z people, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes Only. This is Mahima. If you don't know me, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And guys, today I am back with a new video and a new idea for you all. And guys, today I am continuing the topic called goal setting, as I told in the before video. And guys, thanks for all the support, and I have reached 100 subscribers and I am really thankful for everything, and we'll speak about it in the end of the video. Do stay tuned to my channel. Okay guys, what I wanted to speak with you all in today's video is the three main points. The first 3 points from the goal setting. What you need to do to set your goal. In that, I told you 12 points in the before last video. I hope you all watch that video. Do watch that video and come to this video so that you'll understand really very well. And guys, the first 3 points are, you need to decide exactly. The second one, you must write it on a paper. And the third one is, you must set deadlines. So guys, I'll give you a brief explanation in this video about these 3 points. Will come from the last. Okay guys, the third point. From the third point I'll come. The third point is, you need to set deadlines. Setting deadlines is really very important in our life. Setting deadlines will help you to do the work on time. Maybe not on the time sometimes, but it will help you to do the work with some responsibility that you need to do it on the time. For every deadline we have a reason behind it, right? How many of you will obey with me? I obey with that, because setting deadlines will help me a lot during exams, maybe during your office work, maybe in your life, maybe in planning your career. Mainly we are speaking about goal setting, right? If you set a deadline that you need to reach your goal by 10 to 20 years, maybe you kept exactly 15 years, you will go step by step, right? This year, second year, third year, fourth year. Like that, while you're going, you'll see your graph. It's growing or falling down, right? How many of you will obey with me? If you obey with me, do let me know in the comment section. So once you started setting deadlines, I set it 15 years. Like I set it 15 years for my career setting. So from today, what I need to do, I made a list. And I need to go through that. While I was going through that, I need to observe myself. That am I doing proper things to reach my deadline? Yes, I am doing it. I am very confident enough that I am very happy with my deadline. So guys, what I say you all is also to set a deadline. Maybe in your future, maybe for your career, maybe for your studies, maybe for your exam. And guys, what I say is, one book has many pages. You need to read one by one, not whole at a time. You can't read whole at a time, right? So what I say is, if you start reading from today, you will reach your deadline easily. If you put a deadline and start reading it before the day before of the deadline, you will be really very confused. Day before, see, I find sometimes it happens to me also in rare scenarios. Like guys, what I say is, what I feel strongly is, see, many people prepare for their exam on the last day. Why? I feel like why they do it. And also so setting deadlines is very important. For after setting deadlines, you need to have discipline towards it, and you need to start preparing for it since today. And do that. Since this second you started for your deadline, you need to do it. And then the second point. The second point is, you must write it on a paper. For this, I will give you a live example. Everyone will face it. See, many people can read very well but cannot write properly on their exam. But you must write it on. It doesn't matter how much you read for the exam. How much you present, you will get marks. If you read more and you can't present it, what's the use of that? There is no use for that, no? So what I feel strongly is, when you start putting it on the paper, it will be easier for you. When you start making a notes, see, if you set a goal, if you wanted to do this, you make a list of it. To make a list, you need to write it, not in your brain, not in the air. Like, see, many people do they put everything in their air. They feel that they are very conscious about their mind, so they feel that they put everything in their brain and they will like, I'll do this. That's wrong, guys. So you need to write it on the paper. Take a paper. What I say is, see, take a paper, write down everything. I write everything what I wanted to do. That is really very important. After writing it down, you will know that how much graph you have. See, for the exam while you prepare, you will write revision test at yourself and you will test it yourself the day before or the 1 week before or 1 month before, so that you know how much you are and then you can prepare what you are. So you must put it on the paper. It's like not to forget. It's not about forgetting and not. If you have knowledge, you will never forget. If you have true knowledge in your brain, you will never forget, guys. And the other, decide properly. The first point, decide exactly. Decision is really very important. If you don't decide what you want to do, you will never be able to do what you want. So what I say is, you need to decide properly. And guys, these 3 points are very important, and do stay tuned to the next video or the next continuation of the rest of the 9 points. And also guys, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Positive Vibes Only. And also guys, I wanted to tell you all a small thing, that thanks for everything you have given me. You have given me 100 subscribers and I really very happy, and it's really a big thing to me. And really guys, and thank you so much. And okay guys, also stay tuned for the next videos. I'll be coming with new videos, and I'll be coming live after 2 days, and I'll notify the name, notify the time before. Thank you guys. Thanks for everything. This is Mahima signing off. Thank you for everything guys. Thanks for watching. And also stay tuned to my next videos. I'll come with new videos and new ideas without making you upset. Thanks for everything guys. Thanks for 100 subscribers. Do share, like and comment to my channel Positive Vibes Only. And this is the logo for my channel. And do share to many people.